Order of operations is the best?
Slope.
Alright,
Slope
so
is the best.
you have
Good
0
job,
over
Ryan.
4, right?
Yeah.
How would that reduce to anything?
Huh?
It would reduce? What would that reduce to?
Did you guys collect the homework?
I have not looked at it yet, but I will.
And also the classwork from last class, I just put it in the box.
Okay, thank you. So this would reduce to 0. It has no slope because it's just flat.
Yeah.
It's not going uphill or downhill. It's just flat. So it would reduce to just 0. So it has a 0 slope. Good. Negative. This one is actually going up. So if you're going from the right to the left, you're going uphill. Uphill is going to be positive. So you always have to go from the right to the left to know if it's going to be positive or negative. So,
Right to.
so just like you read from the right to left, you're going to look at your graph from right.
You read from left to right.
That's what I meant. Thank you, sorry. You read from your right to your left. I'm doing it the right way with my hand. Is that
Okay.
Alright, so it's going up.
I'm gonna
This
see what
one,
you're gonna do.
you think it's going up or down?
What? This is my favorite thing to do.
Going up?
Math. I'm just gonna see what we're gonna do.
If you're skiing down the slope.
Oh.
You're skiing down, so it's a negative slope. You got it right. Good. Now do the next one. How do you start? This was on our homework for 2 nights in a row, but I noticed that you didn't do the homework. So I'm gonna show you again. How do you start this? What's your y-intercept? Yeah, that one's your y-intercept. That's 2. That's where you start, and then that's your slope. So how do you get your next point? Slope is rise over run.
Really? We have to check them?
So,
So up one.
Why? Because all you have to do
Yes.
is go.
but it's a negative. So make sure you go the
Do
right
you have
direction.
to check them?
Yeah,
Really?
of course.
What's the equation again? Oh.
So you pick like the second point, maybe pick one of the points on the line, and you get the coordinates from that point. You plug that x coordinate into your equation to see if you get the y coordinate that you were expecting. If you don't get that y coordinate, then you gotta find out what you did wrong.
Okay, whoa.
I don't get what I'm doing.
Wait, I made
You have a question?
No.
I have a question.
You have a question, Evan? All right.
From line, where do I get the other points from?
So that's your y-intercept. You got that already. Yeah. What's that?
1/5.
Yeah. Negative 1/5. That's your slope, right? So the slope is rise over run. So what are you going to do to get the next point? You start here
Okay, okay.
and you go. What are you going to do? So your rise is 1. Your rise is up and down. And then your run is 5. But there's a negative here, so you have to make sure you go in the right direction. What are you going to do?
I'm getting the answer for y, but I don't know the difference. Because, like, I went -1 to begin with, and then I went down -2 and over 1.
Looks like you went 1 over 1 down. You went 1 and 1. That's what it looks like you did. Rise 1, down 1. Rise and left. You did 1 over 1. But your slope should be.
Like this, it should be down -2 and then over +1.
Yeah.
That's what I did.
Looks like from there to there you went 1.
It's -1 and you take
Yeah.
a point, and
You-
then you go, oh, do you go down -2 from the starting point?
Yeah, because this is your
Oh,
slope.
okay,
That's
that's
your
what I
y-intercept. That's your slope. Did you get it, Evan?
I think so.
Let's see, you went down 1 and you went to the left 5. So if you're looking at this graph, it's going from the right to the left. It's going
No, I need
uphill.
to make it the other way.
It's going uphill. That's a positive slope, but your slope is negative. Good, you caught it. Alright. How you guys doing? No, McKinney says, oh, I want you to finish this one first, actually. I want you to check, oh, you checked up here? It doesn't really show, I mean, you show your work on the work done, but how do you make a U? Yeah, right. And then you put your line on, so you'll need a ruler. Yes, please. There is multiple, letters. Like a U could be like this, and if an H, well, if you had to use straight lines. But like an H is the same, it has two lines and one there. So sometimes there's options.
Be like 0. What about
Are you meaning like
So, sorry, that's 0.
For number 6? For it's gonna be straight lines, up and down.
For which
Yeah.
For 6.
Well, 6 because it doesn't give you a what.
Uh-huh. So what's the question? So what would a vertical line look like? So this one has an undefined slope. That's a vertical line, right? So that'd be up and down. So it has two lines that are up and down, and it has one line that's positive. That's going to be that way, and one line with a negative slope. Is that way. What do you think? Is that confusing?
okay?
Now, undefined is up and down. So you have two lines that are vertical. And you have one line that's positive and one line that's negative. There could be different letters that you make. Victoria, I'd like you to check this one. Yeah, you're both in the wrong series.
Are we supposed to make that over? You can.
So, check. Check is -3
No, you did it right.
No. You did it. No. It's fine. You get to choose what
You get to
negative.
choose which one you want next.
Okay.
What is negative 3 times 8?
Oh,
Negative
maybe
24.
Negative
Negative 24 over.
You just wrote a fraction. A coordinate would be with like two.
Or what's negative?
You don't have to. This would be x would be 6, y would be negative, right? So this is x, and that's y. So you plug this x value
We
into
start at
this x.
-5, and how much did we go over?
So
you're
you plug this
assuming
into
it's a
there, and then you see if
So would it be
this
1 off
is the answer.
1 up and down. There's a 1. You see 1 is a 1.
1 up.
Okay, whenever you have a number, any number, okay, in the world, just a whole number.
So that's
See up
your
there.
coordinate.
There's
And then you got 1 as
an
the answer,
invisible
that's right.
over 1 over there. So if it's 3 or 1, that means it's going to equal 3. So if it's x, then it's going to be, and there's a 1 in front of x, it's going to be 1 over 1. So it means rise, run. 1, 1, 1, 1.
Okay.